Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check connected devices on ACER Wave 7 Mesh Wi-Fi router. In the dashboard of the ACER Wave 7, go to scroll all the way down in the dashboard, then click on this icon, which will open connected devices. And here you can see what's connected to the host Wi-Fi device. Then here guest Wi-Fi, smart home Wi-Fi, here are blocked devices, and here is to the agent, so to the second Wi-Fi device, because it's a mesh Wi-Fi, so it has two devices. And you can also block some users by clicking on block. Then they will be moved to the blocked devices, so they will not be able to access Wi-Fi. And to unblock it, just click on unblock. And then you'll need to reconnect to the Wi-Fi device. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.